Hello, everyone, and welcome to the VIP 30-Day Credit Repair Challenge. Welcome, challengers. My name is Lushana Monk Daniels, and you have joined My Econ. And My Econ is a wonderful company that's going to help you repair your credit. It's going to give you instructional videos and training. I'm going to help you go through all of those trainings. And this is what your website looks like. You will go over here and log in. You would use your username that your email, it'll be sent to you. Your username and your password. You can choose your own password. Okay, so you're going to log in. I'm automatically logged in. Okay, and what's going to happen next is you're going to see this screen after you log in. Okay, mine is automatically logged in. And you're going to see all of these tabs, but I want you to go right here where it says My Credit System. Don't worry about all this right now. I just want to show you how to fix your credit right now. So let's go over. Okay, so what we have here is the My Credit System. And in these areas here, this is whenever you get deep into learning how to provide this information for someone else. But today, what you're going to do is go right here to My Credit System, right here at the top. Click that. And for the next 30 days, we're going to go over this information. So first, watch this introduction. Okay, since that you're already into My Econ and you want to go ahead and start looking at some things, because we're going to start very soon. So watch this. It's only 3 minutes. And then what you'll do is you'll go down here, and you don't have to worry about the 750 monitoring, because if you got Credit Sesame or Credit Karma, those are credit monitoring systems. But if you like to get this, you can. You do not have to, though. All right. This is income shifting. We'll talk about that later. This is very important to you, but we'll talk about that later. This right here is the 750 credit plan. So click right here, enter. And here are our membership courses. All right. I'm going to go over these thoroughly with you. There's 12 modules here. All right. And each week I'm going to go over 3 of these modules. And it's going to show you the introduction, how to obtain your credit report, how to read that report. Let me just click on one of these. All right, let me just click on one of them. And as you see over here, it's going to show you how long it's going to take, not long at all. And then you'll listen to the videos. And after every video, you're going to have PDFs. So you can read over these. These are pretty extensively long. It's just showing you about the Fair Credit Reporting Act. If you're interested in reading it, please do so if you like. You do not have to. But if you're interested, you should look it over. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, you can look at that as well. And so anyway, you'll have your different modules in section 1, all right? And in module 1B, we're going to go, we basically already went over this section here, which is how credit scores are calculated. So this information is going to get you into what you need to do. We're going to go over everything, and then we're going to start disputing those debts on your credit reports, all right? So this is what you want to look at while we are about to get started in our program. So look at this first, and then once we get started, you'll have a head start. All right, so thank you so much, and we will be with you momentarily. in the next few days to get things started. All right, you guys have a good day, and God bless.